National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, central Morgan County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Greene County in east-central Georgia, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Madison, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Buckhead, Greshamville, Apalachee, Penfield, and Wrayswood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.